So in the third video, I would like to summarize overall both the parts. Actually, author Anish Jung wants to relate this lesson with that of the child labor. How children in our country are being exploited, how they are being cheated. This lost spring is the most important part of the season of the year. Whatever the seasons are there, this is the best season, spring. But in humans' life, childhood is the spring, and which is lost for these children at Simapuri and Firozabad. Childhood is the period when these children, they require a lot of attention by the parents, by the society. They need education. They need congenial and good environment. They need good food, nutritious food, because they are the future leaders of our country. These children, if their spring will be lost, then what will happen? Then these children, when they lose their spring, then they will become a burden on this earth. Either they would die in the young age, or they will lead a miserable life. There will be no contribution on their side for this country and their family. So what is required is that the leaders of our country, the influential people of this country, they must take care of them. They must take out them from the poverty and must provide them all the facilities of life, so that they could improve their childhood, they could become better citizens of this country, useful citizens of this nation, because they are the wealth of the nation. They are the future leaders, citizens of the nation. If their childhood is wasted, अगर उनका बचपन इसी तरह से बर्बाद हो गया, then what will happen? फ्यूचर में वो कभी भी कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. और ऐसी कंट्री, जिस देश के बच्चे जिनको एजुकेशन नहीं मिलती, जिनको अच्छा न्यूट्रिशियस फूड नहीं मिलता, जिनको फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है, तो इस तरह के, क्योंकि हर एवरी नेशन डिपेंड्स अपॉन दीज चिल्ड्रन, because in future they will become adults. If their spring is lost, if their youth is lost, then how the society can progress, how the nation can progress. इसीलिए चाइल्ड लेबर पर बैन क्यों लगाया गवर्नमेंट ने? Because these children, they are working in dhabas, they are working as domestic servant, they are working in industries and factories which are producing poisonous gas. These children at an early age, they lose their eyesight, they lose their internal organs, they become the victim of tuberculosis, cancer, kidney disease, heart disease. They are living on filth. They are living in unhygienic condition, and from the very small age they start working 16 hours, 17 hours. In spite of such hard work, they are given you see half food. So you can imagine the plight of these children, कि ये बच्चे जो है कितने मजबूर हैं. How unfortunate they are. Their fault is only this one, that they are born in poverty. They are born with poor parents. Their parents don't have money to bring them up in good conditions. So now, how this evil can be eradicated? This evil can be eradicated with the help of our great leaders who are politicians, who are influential people of the society. They can come out generously and help the children, provide them all the facilities which are needed for their growth, for their welfare. Only then the society can progress and the nation can progress. I am sure you must have understood the whole lesson clearly, and once you read it and goes through the questions, once you read it and go through all the questions of this lesson, I am pretty sure that you will be able to answer any question. Thank you.